Hello everyone, myself Pirivrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the SEL off-campus type 2023. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job off-campus or off-campus related updates or the videos, right? And also you can join our official telegram channel as well for more off campus, because here we are not uploading, it is not possible for us to upload more videos on a like regular basis, but there you can get updates minimum of like 5 to 10 off campus updates on a like everyday basis or the daily basis, right? And you can go through the other off campus types as well, like Deloitte, KPMG, Apple, IBM, Applied Materials, Sasken, and Accenture, and also Cognizant, TCS, and all, right? And also mock interview for TCS, like how to prepare for the TCS interview, so and so, right? And so now let's discuss quickly. So they're hiring for the SEL. This is all about the SEL graduate program 2023. So basically they're hiring for two different locations. One is Bangalore and Chennai. So that means you can join either of these locations or the cities based on your preference. And this is the reference ID, and the job posted or it was updated on 3rd of February 2023. It's a fresh job, and this employment type is a full time. So you might be thinking from the graduate program that it's a kind of intensive or some training oriented program, but no, it is not. It is not like that. It's a full time employment. That means at the very beginning you will be employed as a trainee, and based on your performance and all, like you will be promoted to the full time employment. You will be getting the full time PPO and other things, because every company does the same thing, right? For the freshers, like they will train you and they will see if you are performing well or not, and based on that you'll become the permanent employee, right? And experience needed is graduates. That means 0 to 1 year of experience candidates can apply. And let me tell you about the deadline. So they're hiring for the deadline for this position or the application is 31st July 2023, but the early application is strongly recommended as it recruits on a rolling basis. So basically it's like phase by phase they hire. So I suggest all of you to, if you are interested for this position, then quickly apply. And also you can like share this off campus detail with other like people those who are interested for this position, so that they can apply for this position, right? So now let's discuss about the roles and responsibilities. So basically just a second, yeah. So they're hiring for various rigorous development framework of specific competencies, business criteria, or business critical capabilities, or the problems and the critical experience that can enable you to become a competitive professional by the end of year 3-year program. So basically, like they'll be training you based on your based on the business need, and also based on your expertise and the experience and the knowledge, like various technologies. If you are interested in this specific technology or in this specific area or specific field, right? Based on that, after completing this program, you'll be entering into the specific field based on your like experience or the expertise and all, right? So and if you ask me about the year of pass out or the batch, so they are looking for the fresh graduates, those who are having 0 to 1 year of experience. That means starting from 2021 to 2023 people can apply, and any branch candidate can apply, and mainly the graduate people are eligible, like BE, Tech and all. And if you're interested, just simply click on the apply, then you'll be able to apply for this position, right? So it will take you to the career page or the workday page where you can apply for this position. But first of all, you have to log in. Like this is the career page, so you need to sign in, or else if you have not created any account, create an account. Click on this email address and password you need to provide. Once you have created your account, you need to verify your profile, and by clicking on that link, or like you need to activate your profile by the help of the link that has been sent to your email address. and after that you have to just simply import your updated resume, and automatically it will populate all the things. So this is all about the application process. And coming to the hiring process, so they are having one written test here. And yeah, one more thing, if you ask me about the salary and other things, you can go through the ambition box, the salary review and about this position. So the average salary is 13.8 LPA with the for the candidates those who are having less than 1 year of experience, and get salary range between 7.5 LPA to 22 LPA, right? And these are salary, and also what is the estimated take home salary, 98,000 per month you'll be taking, or year it will be your in hand salary. So all these things you'll get to know in this ambition box review platform. And about the hiring process, so basically you'll be getting the written test invitation. Once you complete the written test, there will be a technical interview and followed by the managerial and the HR interview. So this is all about the hiring process actually. So I hope it is clear to you right now. I'll be posting this link in the description of this video so that you can apply for this position. And if you have any doubt regarding this position, please let me know in the comment section below. I will try to help you as soon as possible. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.